When it comes to your oral health, you want someone who has seen it all to help solve your concerns. Here at Restorin24, we have years of experience in order to help make the most informed decisions so that your dental and overall health needs are met. I've been in dentistry for 20 years now, and I was very fortunate because I was one of those kids that knew exactly what I wanted to do early in life. My uncle was a dentist, and I spent most of my teen years working with him in his office, and I knew pretty quickly that I wanted to follow in his footsteps. No two patients are the same. They all have different needs and desires, and I believe with experience comes a better understanding overall. It's not just about the technique you read about in the textbooks, it's putting it into practice, making the overall experience better for the patients, and becoming better at the dentistry itself every day through repetition. The All-on-X procedure is a life-changing procedure. So before you choose a doctor, do your research. Make sure you find someone that has experience with this procedure. We have several patients that come see us for help because they've been to an office that is less experienced with this procedure, and it can lead to some pretty severe issues. So they come to us for help because this is something that we do every day, every week, and because of the technology, it makes it much more convenient and easy for us to get them where they should have been all along. To learn more, go to www.restorin24.com or give our office a call. We'll be happy to schedule a free consultation with you where you can come in, meet the doctors, and we'll help you get the smile you deserve.